Welcome to the Great Barn at Wern-Y-Cwm. Our location, just outside Abergavenny in the Welsh borders, is probably one of the most beautiful places in the world. But we're not remote. We're only about an hour from Bristol, about an hour and a half from the Midlands, and 2 hours from London on the train. The Great Barn is the perfect venue for a landmark birthday, a sporting or business retreat for fewer people. The Great Barn will have your guests gasping with awe. It is so much better than a barn. We call it the Great Barn, but actually it could be renamed the Ballroom Barn for its majesty and its grandeur and the incredible space. But despite its size, it's also designed to be warm, cosy and intimate for a smaller group, with the seating around the fire, the bar area, and of course the flexible dining tables, which can be turned into a banqueting table for 12 or 14 people, or set out to sit between 120 and 140. The farmhouse dates from 1570 and was built by the famous mariner, Captain Thomas James. There's a large sitting room where you can sit around the fire playing family games or discussing business issues, resting after a day's sporting activity. The cinema room has Sky Sports, so no matter what the day, you don't need to miss the big game. And the kitchen dining room has several tables which can be put together for one big dinner party or kept separate so that different people can have different discussions. With 7 double or triple bedrooms, most of them en suite, we have plenty of room for a variety of sleeping arrangements. My favourite room has to be the Peacock Loft. I think if you are having a wedding at Wern-Y-Cwm, you might consider this as the bridal suite. It has a massive bathtub and great views over the lawns and the valleys. It really is quite special. The strategy behind Wern-Y-Cwm is to offer you an incredible space that you can tailor to make your own special party, wedding, or conference or sporting event. The yoga studio is just as flexible as everything else here at Wern-Y-Cwm. It's perfect as a breakout room for business conferences or a training room. What we've achieved is a combination of real comfort, luxury, eclectic decor, and a flexible space that can be used for so many different types of function. Wern-Y-Cwm has been standing here for hundreds of years. It is without a doubt a space that you and your guests will never forget. I look forward to welcoming you to Wern-Y-Cwm, but in the meantime, do take a look at our Instagram pages and take a look at what we're up to and the projects that we're putting in place to make sure that your time at Wern-Y-Cwm is as perfect as possible. Thank you.